हेलो, स्वागत है दोस्तों आपका आपके चैनल परमा एजुकेशन में। हम सभी लोग बीएड सेकेंड ईयर के एमसीक्यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जिसमें कि हम लोगों ने हिंदी मीडियम से ये सभी एमसीक्यूज़ कर लिए हैं और उसके प्रीवियस ईयर भी कर लिए हिंदी मीडियम से। अब हम लोग इंग्लिश मीडियम से कर रहे हैं संजय पब्लिकेशंस के एमसीक्यूज़, जिसका कि पार्ट 1 कंप्लीट हो चुका है और उसकी पीडीएफ भी मैंने टेलीग्राम चैनल में डाल दी है। पार्ट सेकंड कर रहे हैं। पार्ट सेकंड का मतलब है पेपर सेकंड। पेपर फर्स्ट हो चुका है, उसकी पीडीएफ पड़ी हुई है टेलीग्राम में, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। और पेपर सेकंड हम लोग कर रहे हैं। इसका प्रीवियस ईयर हमने इंग्लिश में कंप्लीट करा दिया, उसके बाद मैं आपके लिए ये पेपर सेकंड लेके आया हूँ। इसको मैं 2 पार्ट्स में कंप्लीट कराऊंगा, तो प्लीज़ आप लोग इसको देखते रहिए। और इसके बाद मैं फिर इसका पार्ट सेकंड और फिर ऐसे ही BD-203, 4 और 5 भी लेके आऊँगा। तो प्लीज़ जिन लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है उसको सब्सक्राइब कर लें और वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर करते रहें अपने दोस्तों के साथ कॉलेज ग्रुप्स में, जिससे ज़्यादातर लोगों तक ये पहुँच सके। इसकी प्लेलिस्ट भी मैंने यहाँ बनाई हुई है बीएड सेकेंड ईयर की, अतुल पब्लिकेशन की, संजय पब्लिकेशन की हिंदी में, और इसकी भी मैंने प्लेलिस्ट बनाई हुई है बीएड सेकेंड ईयर की इंग्लिश मीडियम की। तो आप ये सभी इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले में अपलोड होंगे, आप वहाँ से इसको देख सकते हैं। तो इंग्लिश में एक पेपर कंप्लीट हो चुका है, ये पेपर सेकेंड है, इसको हम लोग कंप्लीट करते हैं। तो प्लीज़ इसको कंटिन्यू ऐसे ही देखते रहिए। आप में इसमें यूनिट 5 है, असेसमेंट एंड इवेल्युएशन, यूनिट सेकेंड है डिज़ाइनिंग ऑफ असेसमेंट टूल्स, यूनिट 3 असेसमेंट ऑफ डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स, यूनिट 4 टेस्ट फॉर्मेशन एंड यूनिट 5 स्टैटिस्टिक्स। हम लोग बात कर लेते हैं। यूनिट फर्स्ट है जो कि आपका असेसमेंट इवेल्युएशन है, तो इसके मल्टीपल चॉइस हैं, देख लेते हैं। द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग अ जजमेंट of a measurement of worth of an entity, a person, process or program is known as, that is option number B, assessment. Question second, educational assessment involves gathering and evaluating data from option number A, learning activities and programs. Question number third, teachers use different strategies for classroom assessment, thus provide feedback to option number D, all of the above, that is option number A, students and parents, B, educators, and C, policymakers. Question 4. Who said that assessment is the process of gathering and discussing information from multiple and diverse sources in order to develop a deep understanding of what students know, understand, and can do with their knowledge? That is option number C, Huber and Fried. Question number 5. Assessment is the systematic basis for making inferences about the learning and development of students. Who said so? Option number A, Irwin. Question 6. What of the following provides information about the levels of understanding that students are reaching? That is option number B, assessment. Question number 3. Assessment and feedback are crucial for helping people and learn. Assessment should mirror good instructions, happen continuously as part of instruction. Who said so? Option number D, that is Bransford, Brown and Cocking. Question 8. A tool used by the teacher to continuously monitor students' progress is known as option number B, formative assessment. Question number 9. Formative evaluation is done through option number D, all of the above. Then the options are option number A, test and quizzes, option B, homework and classwork, option C, oral questions. Question number 10. The school should not restrict the formative assessment to only a paper pencil test. There are other means of testing such as through option number D, all of the above. Then all the options are option number A, conversations and interview, option B, oral and visual testing, option C, practical and assignment. Question 11th, which assessment is given at the end of instructional period? That is option number A, summative assessment. End of instructional period, that is summative assessment. In between, that is formative assessment. Question number 12, good summative assessment tests and other graded evaluation must be demonstrably reliable, valid and free of bias. Who said so? Option number B, Anglo and Cross. Question number 13, assessment of students is generally done, option number A, at the end of academic session. Question number 14th, summative assessment are usually associated with standardized tests such as option number D, all of the above. All the options are option number A, board examination, option B, half yearly and annual examination, and option number C, unit test. Question number 15, classroom assessment provides feedback to students and improves, option number D, both A and B. Then A is learning and B is teaching. Question number 16. Students, teacher and parents come to know about the achievement in order to plan and support progress through option number C, assessment. Question number 17. The process of defining, selecting, designing, collecting, analyzing, interpreting and using information to increase a student's learning and development is known as option number B, that is assessment. Question number 18. Assessment given at the end of instructional period is known as option number D, that is summative assessment. Question number 19th. Which commission has observed that on the completion of the course at the end of the lower or higher secondary stage, the student should receive a certificate from the school, that is option number A, Kothari Commission. Question number 20. Internal assessment should evaluate all those aspects of a student's growth that is measured by the external examination. Which commission viewed so? Option number A, Kothari Commission. Question number 21. Who said that assessment is essential not only to guide the development of individual students but also to monitor and continuously improve the quality of programs and inform prospective students and their parents? That is option number D, Leon Gardiner. Question number 22. The purpose of educational assessment is to provide feedback to option number D, both A and B. Then A is the school, college and B is parents. Question number 23. Who viewed that the students learn more when they receive feedback about the qualities of their learning along with advice on what they can do to improve? That is option number C, Black and William. Question number 24. Who said that assessment for learning is ongoing process and requires keep involvement on the part of the learner in clarifying outcomes, monitoring ongoing learning, collecting evidence and presenting evidence of learning to others? That is option number A, Annie Davis. Question number 25. Which assessment helps teachers knowing what students have learned? That is option number A, assessment for learning. Question number 26. In which kind of learning the students develop an awareness of how they learn and use that awareness to advance their learning? That is option number B, assessment as learning. Question number 27. Which the assessment informs students, teacher and parents about the achievement in time in order to plan and support continued progress? That is option number C, assessment of learning. Question 28. A device or an object used to measure or quantify any event or another object is known as option number A, scale. Question 29. In which scale type the number assigned to object or events represents the rank order first, second, third, etc. of the entities assessed? That is option number B, ordinal scale. Question number 30. Which scale of measurement only satisfy the identity property of measurement? That is option number A, nominal scale. Question 31st. Which scale has the property of both identity and magnitude? That is option number B, ordinal scale. Question 32. Which scale of measurement has the properties of identity, magnitude and equal interval? That is option number C, interval scale. Question number 33. Which scale involves only the assignment to classes or groups and does not imply magnitude? That is option number A, nominal scale. Question 34. Which scales are numeric scales helping us in knowing not only the order but also the exact difference between the values? Option number C, interval scale. Question 35. Which scale of measurement satisfies all four of the properties of measurement, identity, magnitude, equal intervals and a minimum value of 0? That is option number B, ratio scale. Question 36. In which scale there is always an absolute 0? That is option number A, ratio scale. Question 37. In which scale most of the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are involved? That is option number C, ratio scale. Question 38. The process of finding out as to what extent changes have taken place in the development and learning among children is known as, that is option number B, evaluation. Question 39. Evaluation is the process of determining the degree to which goals of program have been achieved. Who said so? Option number C, Taylor. Question 40. Who said that educational evaluation is the process of information gathering and treatment necessary to make a decision for an education program? That is option number B, Cronch-Beck. Question 41. Evaluation is the collection, analysis and interpretation of information about any aspect of program of education as a part of recognized process of judging its effectiveness, its efficiency and any other outcomes it may have. Who said so? Option number A. Ye Thorup. Question 42. One of the purposes of educational evaluation is to identify some of the problems that the students may need to overcome in order to progress his learning. Who said so? Option number D. Obnea. Question 43. Formative evaluation is sometimes referred to as option number D, internal evaluation. Question 44. The method for judging the usefulness of an educational program while the program is in progress is known as, that is option number D, internal evaluation. Question 45. Formative evaluation enables the teacher to, option number D, all of the above. Then all the options are option number A, draw more eligible inference about his students. Option B, identify the level of cognitive process of his students. Option C, choose suitable teaching material. Question number 46. Summative evaluation is sometimes referred to as option number A, external evaluation. Question 47. The method of judging the usefulness of an educational program at the end of the program is known as, that is option number C, external evaluation. Question 48. Summative evaluation refers to the assessment of worthwhileness of the instructional program which has already been completed. Who said so? Option number B, Michael Shriven. 49. Formative evaluation refers to the assessment or worth of the instructional program which is still going on and can still be modified. Who said so? Option number D, Michael Shriven. Question number 50. The kind of evaluation used during the teaching learning process to monitor the learning development is known as, that is option number B, formative evaluation. Question number 51. The kind of evaluation used after the completion of the course to give the grades is known as, that is option number A, summative assessment. Question number 52. The aim of formative evaluation is to improve, option number C, both A and B, students' learning and teachers' learning. Question number 53. The scheme of continuous and comprehensive evaluation CCE for class 9th and 10th is to be followed in all schools affiliated with, option number C, CBSE. Please comment below what is the full form of CBSE. Question number 54. Formative assessment usually comprises of, option number D, all of the above, and all the options are option number A, class tests and homework, option B, quizzes, option C, projects and assignments. Question 55. The major emphasis of continuous and comprehensive evaluation CCE is on the continuous growth of, option number A, students. Question 56. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation ensures students, option number D, all of the above, and all the options are option number A, cultural and social development, option B, emotional and physical development, and option C, intellectual development. 56, option number D. Question number 57. Who said that assessment is the collection of relevant information that may be relied on for making decisions? That is option number B, Fenton. Question number 58. Evaluation is the application of a standard and a decision making system to assessment data to produce judgments about the amount and adequacy of the learning that has taken place. Who said so? Option number A, Fenton. Or question 59. Teaching for successful learning cannot occur without high quality assessment. Assessment needs to be integrated in the process of teaching and learning. Who said so? Option number D, Dr. Kriti Kapoor. Question number 60. Assessment is a form of communication. It should be seen as an integral part of learning and teaching. Who said so? Option number B, Vineet Joshi. Question number 61. Which assessment focuses on one student while he is doing an activity or task and thus recognized individual work and accomplishment? Option number A, individual assessment. Question number 62. Which kind of assessment focused on the learning and progress of a group of students working on a task together? That is option number B, group assessment. Question number 63. Which method of assessment is more useful in order to access social skills, cooperative learnings, process and other value related aspects of students' behavior? That is option number B, group assessment. Question number 64. Which kind of assessment refers to the student's own assessment of his learning and progress is knowledge, skills and process, interests and attitudes, etc. That is option number C. Self-assessment. Question number 65. Which assessment refers to one student's assessing other students? That is option number D. Peer assessment. Question number 66. Assessment is essential not only to guide the development of individual students but also to monitor and continuously improve the quality of programs, inform prospective students and their parents. That is option number A. Leon F. Gardiner. Question number 67. In which stage the child learns in a playful manner? That is option number D. Pre-primary stage. Question number 68. At what stage the pace of learning and personality development is so fast? That's the option number A. Primary stage. Question number 69. At which stage oral and written test assignment and project work should be used for evaluation? That is option number A. Upper primary stage. Question number 70. At what stage there is the using of continuous and comprehensive evaluation mode? That is option number C. Secondary stage. Question number 71. The present system of assessment and evaluation for school education in India is exam based, therefore it focuses only on cognitive learning outcomes. Who said so? Option number D. Dr. Kirti Kapoor. Question number 72. Classroom evaluation instrument must not be restricted to conventional pencil and paper achievement test. Rather, they must use rating scale, checklist and observational techniques and so forth. Who said so? Option number B. Mehrens and Lehman. Question number 73. In whose view it is a good practice if assessment procedures provide feedback and comments to the students about their learning? That is option number A. Nitko. Question number 74. Can continuous evaluation helps in bringing awareness of the achievement to the child, teachers and parents from the time to time? They can look into the probable cause of the fall in achievement, if any. Who said so? That is option number A. Vineet Joshi. Question 75. In whose view assessments can be a vital component in our efforts to improve education? That is option number B. Thomas Ray Huskey. Question 76. Who defined the evaluation is the process of ascertaining or judging the value or amount of something by careful appraisal? That is option number A. Goods. Question number 77. Who says measurement is defined as assigning numbers to objective or events according to logically accepted rules? That is option number A. J.P. Guilford. Question number 78. Classification of knowledge objective is given by, that is option number B. B.S. Bloom. Question number 79. Evaluation is option number C. Qualitative and quantitative both. Question number 80. Evaluation is a continuous process. It forms an integral part of the total system of education and is intimately related to educational objective. Who said so? That is option number C. कोठारी कमीशन. तो ये हमारे अभी इसका पार्ट 1 है. अब इसके बाद हम इसका ही मतलब पेपर 2 का पार्ट 1 इसमें ही है. अभी हम लोग इसके बाद इसी में पार्ट 2 की बात करते हैं. तो इसको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक ज़रूर कर दें और वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर किया करें. दूसरी यूनिट है हमारी डिज़ाइनिंग ऑफ असेसमेंट टूल. अब हम लोग इसके MCQs यहाँ पे करते हैं. तो हमारे डिज़ाइनिंग ऑफ असेसमेंट टूल्स, तो इसके MCQs कर लेते हैं. डिज़ाइनिंग ऑफ असेसमेंट टूल्स के Which of the following are the example of assessment tools? That is option number D. All of the above. All the options are option number A. Questions and observations. B. Records and analysis of documents. And C. Tests and inventories. Question number 2. Some of the important tools useful in language assessment evaluations are, that is option number D. All of the above. Then all the options are option number A. Listening and reading comprehension. B. Debates and group discussion. And C. MCQs, quiz, grammar exercises. Question number 3. Which test is useful for students to express their knowledge, speaking skills and the ability to communicate? That is option number A. Oral test. Question number 4. Which test is best suited to access the depth of learning where a student has difficulty in written expression? That is option number C. Oral test. Which test helps in testing or listening and speaking skills? That is option number A. Oral test. Question number 6. According to whom a test is a specific tools or procedure or a technique used to obtain response from the student. That is option number D. Barrow and McG. Question number 7. Which test can be used to develop a student's writing skills, particularly the ability to write arguments supported with the reasoning and facts? That is option number B. Written test. Question number 8. Which test requires the examinee to choose an answer to a question whose correct answer is predetermined? That is option number A. Objective type test. Question number 9. Which kind of test items require the examinees to select one response from set of options? That is option number C. Multiple choice test. Question number 10. Objective tests began to be used early in the 20th century as a means of evaluating learning outcomes. There has a reliability and predictive validity led to the gradual replacement of the easy test. That is option number B. Kou Moriyama. Question number 11. Which of the following test is suitable to measure students' ability to select and organize their ideas and interpret them in their own way? That is option number C. Essay type test. Question number 12. Which technique is used for assessment of students on the basis of assignment and project? That is option number A. Document analysis. Question number 13th. Record or document analysis is mainly used in, that is option number A, research. Question number 14. Information about a child and his behavior can be collected in natural setting in and outside the class through, that is option number B, observation. Question number 15. In whose view one of the important benefits of doing observation is that teachers are viewing many components at the same time? That is option number B, Cray, Sturgill, Renke. Question number 16. Techniques like debates, elocution, group work, practical and laboratory activities, projects, performance in play fields, etc. can be used by the teachers for assessment through option number B, that is by observation. Question number 17. Unlike standardized tests which focus only on cognition, observation allow the teacher to see the whole child. Who said so? Option number C, that is option number C. K. Sturgill Rankin. Question number 18th. What of the following is used to record specific observations of individual students' behavior, skills, and attitudes relating to that the outcomes in the program of studies? That is option number C. Anecdotal record. Question number 19. The collection of students' work over a period of time is known as option number D, portfolio. Question number 20. A portfolio may include option number D, all of the above, and all the options are option number A, research paper and self-evaluations, B, computational exercises and problems, and C, case studies, audio tapes and video tapes. Question number 21. Effective assessment is option number D, all of the above, and all the options are option number A, harmonious with instructions, B, based on real tasks, and C, an ongoing and continuous process. Question number 22. Which test is set in such a way that one and only one correct answer is available to given item? That is option number A, objective test. Question number 23. Which kind of test requires the examinees to select from the given set of possible answers or options the one that is correct? That is option number C, objective test. Question number 24. In which kind of objective test the examinee has to answer from either of two options concerning the item? That is option number A, alternative response test item. Question number 25. Which test item consists of two parallel columns? That is option number B, matching test items. Question number 26. Which test item consists of two basic parts? That is option number contest part, that is a problem, stem, and a list of suggested solutions, that is alternative. Option number C, multiple choice test items. Question number 27. In which kind of test items the students have to select the correct answer by circling or making the relevant number or letter? That is option number C, multiple choice test items. Question number 28. Which test does not encourage the development of examinees' ability to select, organize, or create ideas and to present them in a logical form? That is option number A, objective test. Question number 29. Which test items led to guessing? That is option number C, objective test. Question number 30. Which test does not measure writing ability? That is option number A, objective test. Question number 31. A map and a specification for an assessment program is known as, that is option number B, blueprint. Question number 32. What of the following ensures that assessment programs cover all aspects of the curriculum and educational domains over a specific period. That is option number D, blueprint. Question number 33, a blueprint of examinee is also known as option number A, test specification. Question number 34, what of the following shows the placement of each question in respect of the objective and the content area that it tests? Option number B, blueprint. Question number 35, which of the following is generally in the form of chart that contains the objectives to be evaluated and the weight to be assigned on each area of the evaluation? That is option number D, test blueprint. Question number 36, the test blueprint identifies the objective and skills that are to be measured as well as the relative weight on the test given to each. Who said so? Option number A, Allen and James. Question number 37, according to Suske, test blueprint is also called option number B, table of specification. Question number 38, in which year Bloom's taxonomy was developed? That is option number C, 1956. Question number 39, Bloom's taxonomy was developed to encourage higher forms of thinking in option number A, education. Question number 40, which refers to remembering of previously learned materials such as definitions, concepts, principles and formulas? That is option number B, knowledge. Question number 41, what can be linked with rote memory where the students memories and retains information? That is option number D, knowledge. Question number 42, what refers to understanding or grasping of the meaning of learned material? That is option number A, comprehension. Question number 43, in which higher order objective the individual uses previously learned material in a new context to solve a problem? Option number B, application. Question number 44, what involves understanding of material in terms of its various parts? That is option number C, analysis. Question number 45, what refers to putting together parts, element or ideas to form a new whole pattern or structure? That is option number D, synthesis. Question number 46, what requires a mental process such as using a set of criteria or standards to arrive a reasoned judgment? That is option number A, evaluation. Question number 47, which domains include the manner in which we deal with things emotionally such as feeling, values, appreciation, enthusiasm, motivation and attitudes? That is option number B, affective domain. Question number 48, how many levels are there in affective domain? That is option number D, 5. Question number 49, the 5 major categories of affective domain are receiving, responding, valuing, organizing and option number A, characterization. Option number A. Question number 50, what of the following is about the student's memory and recognition and without this level no learning can take place? That is option number B, receiving. Question number 51, in which level of affective domain the student actively participates in the learning process? That is option number A, responding. Question number 52, in which level of affective domain the student attaches a value to an object, phenomena or some information and associates some values to the knowledge acquired by him? That is option number C, valuing. Question number 53, in which level of affective domain the students can put together different values, information and ideas and accommodate them within his own schema? That is option number D, organizing. Question number 54, at which level of affective domain the student tries to build abstract knowledge? That is option number B, characterizing. Question number 55, which domain includes physical movement, coordination and use of motor skills? That is option number A, psychomotor domain. Question number 56, in which domain the skills describe the ability to physically manipulate a tool or instruments like a hand or a hammer? That is option number A, psychomotor domain. Question number 57, in 2001 who developed a revised version of Bloom's taxonomy called Taxonomy of Learning, Teaching and Assessment? That is option number C, Anderson and Karthwal. Question number 58, psychological tools measure? That is option number D, both A and B. Then A is human behavior and B is human conduct. We have completed 2 units of पेपर सेकेंड दैट इज़ BD-202। अब हम लोग इसी तरह इसकी पार्ट सेकेंड लेके आएंगे, उसमें पार्ट सेकेंड में बाकी जो बचा हुआ है उसको मैं कंप्लीट कराने की कोशिश करूंगा और इसको मैं ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू चलाता रहूँगा। प्लीज़ आप मुझे बताएं क्या ये सीरीज़ ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करूँ या इसको ड्रॉप कर दूँ। अभी आप प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करें क्योंकि मैंने संजय पब्लिकेशन के करा दिए हैं। अगर सभी लोग कह रहे हैं कराने के लिए, तो मैं इसको कंटिन्यू कराता हूँ। ठीक है, प्लीज़ इसको देखते ज़रूर रहिए और वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर करें, जिससे ज़्यादातर लोगों तक पहुँचे और मुझे भी कुछ मोटिवेशन मिले, मैं इसको कंटिन्यू कराता रहूँ। प्लीज़ इसको शेयर करें और लाइक भी करें अगर अच्छा लगता है तो। थैंक यू सो मच।